My father never clamored for publicity. His one desire was to see the development of an iconic Amravati and an ever-progressing India. All of us in the family will forever strive to continue his efforts. In the last 5 decades or more, he risked everything to correct the wrongs being wrought on the people. Whenever calamity struck in any part of the country, he was at the forefront in initiating relief measures for the affected. We, all the family members of Ramoji Rao Garu and the colleagues of the group, will do our best to continue this legacy. Apart from naming Amravati, he always looked forward for the overall development of this new city. As a token gesture of the family for the continuance of his vision for this megapolis in the making, Amravati, we are happy to present a check for rupees 10 crores to be used for the development of the city. He never sees what has been done. What remains to be done is what he was always looking at. And he believed that if dreams have to come true, the only way to do is to have the courage to pursue them.